Hey, welcome back. Tonight I'm gonna do a coaster set with phthalo turquoise and essentially just white and gold cell activator to hopefully have a bit of gold and white lacing to go along with it. I've used the gold lacing before for the cell activator and it did pretty good, so I made a new batch of it and we're gonna test it out tonight on this. I went ahead and put my turquoise down first. The next color you saw was Interference Gold by SheleeArt. What I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to pop the bubbles. That way it doesn't pop up later after I spin it out. And then I'll put turquoise on top. And for the most part, I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to put the gold cell activator down first and then pour the white cell activator down on top of it and blow it out. Again, sorry for my head. It's just the way it's gonna be for this one. So what you don't see right now is there's a little bit of the white cell activator in the middle that I'm trying to blow a little bit at a time, trying to pop up some more cells. That way they'll show up in the middle. So I let the paint settle for just a little bit, and while that's doing that, I cover the sides just so the paint rolls off whenever I spin it. The reason why I let it sit for just a little bit, it gives the cell activator time to sink underneath or any cells to pop up and form, and eventually it gives me a little bit extra time to pop some bubbles as well. So again, I'm sold on the spinner for this technique. It makes it so much easier instead of tilting and getting your cells all, I don't know, misshaped, I guess. Because the cell activator is a thinner than the other paints, so it can move faster. So again, I'm just speeding this up. So again, I'm doing exactly the same color combo, same layering with the phthalo turquoise, interference gold, and then some more phthalo turquoise, and then the gold cell activator and the white cell activator on top of one another. And just blowing it out and spinning it, and hopefully they all come out as equally great as the original one. So, but anyway, I'm going to come back. I'm going to finish these next three, and I'll come back at the end. Alright, so I'm back. This is going to be my last coaster. I was running low on my pillow paint and I didn't want to open another can, so I should have enough of the pillow paint to at least do this last one. I will post a dried result of these coasters on my Instagram. Um, that way you can kind of see the interference gold and all the little shimmer from that. I mean, you can kind of see it in one of the very first one in the screen, but again, you can't really see it that well. And you know, one of the hardest parts about making these videos is if I don't talk all the way through it and add music. Like, that's the hardest thing to pick, is music for a video. So if you don't like the music, sorry. If you have any suggestions for that, I'm all open for that. Just holler at me. Again, back to the painting, make sure you do get your edges before you tilt or spin, whichever way you like to do this technique. But anyway, so I am happy with the results. Somebody had wanting gold, white, and turquoise coasters for a while, and I didn't like any of the ones I've done previously, so here's a closer look. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would appreciate it, and thank you to all the new subscribers. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.